I blindfolded Golden Balance to taste test his palate.
Can you hear me?
Let's see how good he is.
Let's give him some bacon.
Beef bacon, final submission.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Beef bacon.
Beef bacon. Come on now, you know me.
Protein bar.
It's giving me cookie dough. So it's like a chocolate chip cookie dough of some sort.
Protein bar, chocolate chip flavored.
Ah, come on.
Chinese peanuts.
The pine nut. My Middle Eastern knows what's up.
It does look like a pineapple, but the packet said it was a Chinese peanut.
That's a pine nut, bro.
I don't know if I'm gonna give that to you.
No, I better put it in a different package, bro. No, that's a pine nut. Did you show them?
It says Chinese peanuts. I'll give you half points for that.
Dog.
Tomato paste.
Bro, what is that? It's jello-y. I hear Gully shaking behind me from laughing, so that's not jelly. Bro, I didn't know. I thought I was gonna nail this. What is it? Bro, I don't know what that is. Pickled ginger. It's not ginger, but...
Tomato paste.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
Steamed bun from McDonald's Filet-O-Fish.
Oh my god, bro. What did he take? You toasted something. Like you toasted some bread. Or the sausage bread or something?
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
No, that is the steamed bun from McDonald's Filet-O-Fish.
Oh my god.
Strawberry.
That's strawberry. Stop playing with me, bro.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, you got it.
The tomato paste really threw me off.
Yeah.
You crazy madman. They're Chinese pine nuts. I told you.
read. I said peanuts.
No, they're pine nuts.